Hey guys, welcome back to cryptoTV. This is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We will be talking about few technical indicators and we will try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start it with the Bitcoin first. And currently if you look at the market price, which is trading at 31,700, so yes, we were talking about this thing in the yesterday's video, that the price is falling and it has already broke the level of 35,000, and we can see that the price can test the level of 30,000, and that exactly happens yesterday. So the price was I think it made a low of around 29,800 or something, which is very near to the 30,000 level, and yesterday it was fall by, it was down by around 11.5%, and today it is up by 5.5%. so that's something we can see in the case of Bitcoin, as well as we that is the same thing happened in the Ethereum as well. So we'll be talking about that thing once we'll move on to the chart. So if you still talk about the overall trend, we are negative. That might be today's upside momentum, that may be because of some profit booking, because we have seen a good fall in the recent times. So the people may be coming out from the trades. That's the reason the price is slightly up today. And RSI is at 31. So again, we were talking about this thing in the yesterday's video, that RSI is at the lowest level. Now we might see two things, and the one thing happens today, that the price is now is going up, and that's the reason the RSI is also moving towards upside. So it's currently at 31. Now if you look at the moving averages, if you talk about the moving averages, so 50 EMA is at 39,336, 100 EMA is at 41,103, and 200 EMA is at 43,091. Also, if you look at the support and resistance levels, because the sharp fall yesterday that we have seen in the price, we had to change the levels here. So support 1 is at 29,140, support 2 is at 25,823, and resistance 1 is at 32,330, and resistance 2 is at 35,335. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, now this is the chart, and if you look at here, this is the sharp fall that you can see. So this was the level, 35,000 level was a very important level, and we were talking about this thing. If the price breaks this level, you will definitely see a sharp fall, and the price may test up to 30,000 level. So yesterday the price made exactly the low of 30,000, and today it made a low of 29,700 something. So this is how you can see, and even today the price, the market is open, so the we just need to wait for the closing price. And if let's see, if you see that you might able to see that whatever the gains you can see it now, that maybe will be vanished, or if not, then we might to see a little bit upside momentum in the upcoming time. Otherwise, firstly the price need to close above then the 32,330 level. So that's the immediate level. If the price closes above then that, we might think of some upside momentum in the Bitcoin chart. So this is how you can look at the price, and this is how you can look at the other things. So as of now, the price is very nicely behaving on the moving averages, as well as on this downward trend line, because every time the price is taking up the support here, or I should not say support, I should say resistance here, and we can see a fall from there. So you can just look at the chart of Bitcoin, and we are still negative because the trend is falling, the price is falling. So as of now, no upside momentum we can see in the chart. Now looking at the Ethereum, so for Ethereum almost the same situation is there. The price is currently trading at 2,400. We can see a fall of around 11% today, and yesterday the price is up by around, I think it's little bit more than 6%. So the same concept applies here, that overall trend is negative. RSI is at 35, and if you look at the moving averages, so 50 EMA is at 2,890, 100 EMA is at 2,995, and 200 EMA is at 3,090 levels. Now if you look at the support and resistance levels, we had to change it. So support 1 is at 2,336, support 2 is at 2,145, Resistance 1 is at 2581 and resistance 2 is at 2855. Let's quickly move on to the chart of Ethereum and we'll try to figure out what we can get from the chart. Alright, so if you look at here, so for the Ethereum, the important level was 2384, around that, and you can see that yes, the price closes below than that, but today that we have seen, in the case of Ethereum, that we have seen frequently that the price, sometimes closes below than a level. We can see that next day, you will see the price will come back to that level. So as of now, the same thing happens here. If the price closes above than this level, then we will consider this as the support level. Otherwise, we'll take it as the resistance level, and the next important support will be 2145. So this is how you can take up the Ethereum. But again, the similar situation you can see as we have seen in the Bitcoin case. We can see the same situation here also. No more indication from the RSI or any other indicator we are getting of trend reversal. So as of now, the same thing applies here. If the price trades below than this particular trend line, moving averages, till the time we can see that the trend is negative, and if not, if the price closes above then this trend line, this downward trend line, and the moving averages, then we might able to see some upside momentum or a trend reversal in the Ethereum case. So this is how we basically conduct the analysis every day for these two cryptocurrencies. So I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.